The Capital One Venture X card offers lounge access through its partnership with Priority Pass. Here's how you can utilize this benefit. Enrollment. Ensure that you are enrolled in Priority Pass Select through Capital One. This enrollment is typically automatic for Venture X card holders. Access locations. Check the Priority Pass website or mobile app to find participating lounges at airports worldwide. There are over 1,300 lounges in the Priority Pass network. Present your card. When you arrive at the participating lounge, present your Capital One Venture X card to the lounge staff. They will verify your membership and allow you access to the lounge. Enjoy lounge amenities. Once inside the lounge, you can relax in comfortable seating, enjoy complimentary snacks and beverages, use Wi-Fi, and access other amenities such as newspapers and magazines. Guests. Depending on your Priority Pass membership level, you may be able to bring guests into the lounge with you. Check your specific card benefits for details on guest access. Check terms and conditions. Be aware of any specific terms and conditions associated with lounge access through Priority Pass, such as any limits on visitations per year.